Xiaomi recently launched the Redmi Note 8 alongside the Redmi Note 8 Pro. These new smartphones were aggressively priced, turning up the heat on the competition. The Redmi Note 8 is aimed at the lower segment of the market and starts at a price of Indian rupees 9,999. Xiaomi seems to be working on another device allegedly called the Redmi Note 8T, which can possibly be a successor or a different variant of the same device. In a series of leaks, the Redmi Note 8T has been leaked in live images and renders, while its price and specifications have also been tipped. Live images of the alleged Redmi Note 8T were posted online by popular tipster Sudhanshu Ambhore. These images reveal the design of the smartphone along with what looks like the retail box. The branding on the box and on the information sticker on the phone read Redmi Note 8T. As mentioned, the tipster has also leaked the price, colors, and different variants of the smartphone. The information sticker also reveals some of the other specifications of the Xiaomi smartphone, such as a 48-megapixel quad camera setup, 6.3-inch display with a dewdrop notch, Corning Gorilla Glass 5 at the front and the back. The alleged Redmi Note 8T is said to pack in a 4,000 mAh battery, feature a USB Type-C port, as well as support for 18 watts fast charging. It also mentions support for NFC, which was missing on the Redmi Note 8. At first glance, the alleged Redmi Note 8T looks similar to the Redmi Note 8 and also sports a Snapdragon 665 SoC. The retail box reveals a big charger with EU pins, but we aren't sure about the output. We are expecting the quad camera setup to be the same as the Redmi Note 8, consisting of a 48-megapixel primary sensor, an 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, a 2-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The tipster has also tweeted that the Redmi Note 8T will be available in 3 variants: 3GB of RAM with 32GB of storage, 4GB of RAM with 64GB of storage, and 4GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The alleged Redmi Note 8T is said to be available in 3 colors: Moonshadow Grey, Moonlight White, and Starscape Blue. Sudhanshu Ambhore also claimed that the 4GB RAM/64GB storage variant will cost €199, approximately Indian rupees 15,600. At this point, NFC support looks like the only major change when comparing the Redmi Note 8T to the Redmi Note 8. Since the retail box was also featured in this leak, we can assume that a launch could take place soon. It'll be interesting to see if and when the product makes its way to our shores.